to the back, from the left to the right side. We worldwide. From the east to the west side, get it, girl, that's right. Let's ride.
I beat the
Hello, it's Bukkake Eater at you again, and I gotta ask you one question. Is this an annoying beat? Like, can you just hear that all day?
Oh, it's getting annoying.
Like, god damn, can you cut this shit off?
Oops.
Wow. Are you having fun? Kinda catchy. Now cut it off, cut it off, cut it off, cut it off, cut it off. Didn't I say cut this shit off? Alright, you think
Okay. Alright, no, okay, I'll check.
I'll break your finger. Do it one more time.
I'm not. Hey.
That's alright. You can make it sound. I'm gonna wait till you go to sleep. I gotta ask you one question, guys.
Alright, I'm finished. Oh, so I gotta
Is this a pretty shoe?
Boy, go.
Is this shoe pretty?
Boy, not start with that.
Is this a pretty shoe? I like the color. It's kinda ugly. See if it make an annoying beat.
I want this to be. Would this be? Is that annoying? This thing. Oh, no. Lila. Try to get it up for me. I got the last green. One green, because I got the last one.
Oregon Ducks, see you later. Crank that Dwayne, leaving again. Yeah, it's about three twins. Got more money and I'm about to win. My name is Crank that Dwayne and I'm about to end. Oh.